What's up, little kitty? Trying to step on these ants. Ants got dang Soul Train line going here. Yeah. God dang rainforest ants. All right, y'all. Getting a late start today. It's 2:37. Yesterday wiped me out. How's it going? All right. So I'm getting a late start. And I think hunger is the only thing that got me out the house. I haven't been down this side of West End. I always make a right when I come out. So let me see what's going on down here. It looks like the road becomes dirt road down here. So that must be the end of most of it. Maybe some local action down here, like where people live that aren't from here. Hola. Not bad. Yeah. See Lost Paradise Inn. Oh, this looks cool. Let's check it out. Man, I mean, for unabated beauty, you really can't beat Roatan. It's a shame that the locals that live up in the hills just litter.
Dog shit.
But it is what it is. I mean, check this out. Oh man, come on. Jeez Louise, this view. It's amazing. Calm and peaceful. Yeah, so this is Roatan. I don't know how much these spots cost, but I'm sure it'd be worth it to stay here. You come out right to the beach, right on the end of West End. Beautiful. Might be coming to the end of the road down here, but we're gonna see, so we know for sure. This place looks really nice. I was gonna take a ferry to West Bay, but I think I kind of messed that up for the day. I mean, I took so long to get out. Now we know what's down here. Go find some grub. All right, so I chose Sea Witches. I looked on internet, they got 4.8 out of 5 stars, so I figure you can't go wrong with that. And they got AC on the inside. So
These are French fries.
no French fries.
No.
Oh my god. So what you got? Salad for the side?
Green salad. Lettuce, tomato, cucumber.
That'll work. Eating a burger with salad. I guess that's even better. Cut off the carbs, or a lot of them. So they're out of fries. It is what it is. They hard at work in the kitchen, y'all. Getting it in. Making my salad, I'm assuming. Here's my burger, y'all. Thank you. All right. No fries, but this is probably better, right? I'm gonna take off a quarter of a star for no fries.
Okay. Hi.
Friendly crew here. Let's try this bad boy out, y'all. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, it's hot. Super hot. Juicy. That's it. Bullshit, the salad is really good. Got some vinaigrette on it or something. Big chunks of cucumber, tomato, tomate. Pretty good. Ultimately a better choice. Child, and the camera comes on, y'all. What is Goomba Limba?
It's a place we have a lot of animals, like butterflies, monkeys, parrots.
Is it close by?
You can go there, from here, go to place the Goomba Limba. You can go natural information there, and they can take you there.
Okay, because I know there's some right outside, not too far up the road, in walking distance. Like, well, you can see trees and different things.
No.
It's not the same thing.
No, it's not the same.
Okay,
Nope.
so somebody told me they had like the sloths and stuff nearby.
It's not the same.
Okay. You said that's some BS, huh?
They also got a place named French Key, Little French Key. Oh, yeah.
I don't know about it, but
It's really good.
I heard about it. Thumbs up to Sea Witches. Y'all come check this place out if y'all are ever in Roatan. You're laughing at my Spanish. I'm trying to get better and they gonna laugh at me. See how they do you? All right, cool.
Ended up teaching you and correcting you and then laughing at you.
Yeah, trying to clown. That ain't right.
Can you see this one, please?
Huh? Oh, it's ripped?
Yes, sir.
Oh my God. Y'all be tripping with that for real.
I'm not gonna take it.
Is this enough or is not?
Let's see.
500.
557. Just 57 more.
That's all I got is these two. Credit card, I guess. All right. Man, why y'all so particular about that? Why are they so? You got any flaws with your dinero here? They will not take it. It's got a couple of holes in it. I don't know if y'all, yeah, I guess y'all can see that. Little bitty holes, like come on. They're not even that serious back home, back in America. They take this. Yeah, we in Roatan. Yeah, yeah. You're right. Well, I'm glad it's not my last dinero. How you say last? Ultimo?
We said last, right? Ultimo.
Ultimo.
No, not ultima.
Ultimo.
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 No, not ultimo.
Mi ultimo dinero. Or dinero ultimo.
The what?
Is it ultimo dinero?
Mi último dinero.
Okay, mi ultimo dinero. Ooh, getting cold on this thing right here.
Yes, sir. That's a firma.
Okay,
Firma says sign.
Okay, firma.
Yes, sir.
All right. That's that. Is Popina included?
Yes, sir. I'll take percent.
Okay. Cool. Don't y'all come here practicing your Spanish if you don't want to get laughed at. They're gonna clown you. I don't care. I'm trying to get better. You gotta take your knocks, y'all.
Are you a YouTuber?
Huh? Yes.
Really?
See, Yep.
Where?
Not really famous, but I'm trying.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm getting there. He has my channel, so if you want to get it, you can get it from him.
You know him?
Yeah, we go way back. That's my cousin.
Way back.
Oh Lord.
You joking?
She not buying it.
You joking?
You YouTube as well? She get.
No, man.
Yeah, make sure you give me a follow. I need all the subs I can get. And then maybe a couple. Thank y'all for a lovely dining experience. And I'll definitely come back and tell everybody to come visit you all.
Okay, hope to see you again.
Oh yeah, I'll come by for sure before I leave. So y'all can laugh at my Spanish some more. Adios, mi amigas, amigos, amigas. All right, see ya. Bye. Everybody's so friendly. I think I'm gonna go back down to where I came from. Okay, another key thing y'all want to know, as y'all just saw there, if you go to the bank and get your money, American dollars, because they do take American dollars here, make sure it's mint condition, perfect, because it got a little tear, got little holes in it. They won't take it. They will not take it. So, yeah, not that, you know, it's like money that's not gonna get thrown away, but like, hey, if that's the only cash I still had on me, or whatever, then I would be SOL, you know what I'm saying? But luckily I had my credit card. I was able to pay. Yeah, I'm gonna take it easy today. It's a lazy day. You on Roatan, you don't ever want to get in a rush. You just want to chill, muy tranquila. You know what I'm saying? And that's what my heart feels right now. I don't want to get in a rush, thinking I ain't do too much today. I slept in. We was tired, first of all, you know what I'm saying? And from that hike yesterday, feeling good now. Breathe. I got the best spot on the island. The best spot on the island over here. What do y'all sell? Coconuts?
Yes, sir.
How much are they?
I'll give you $4.
$4? And how much is $4 in Lempira? 100. I'll take one. We can get to see it in. Appreciate it. Texas, man. I'm from Texas. Yes, sir. Houston. Nah, you a Texas fan. Oh man, you about to make me leave. Yeah, man, you about to kill it. We do not get along with them Dallas guys. It's all love, but you know, we talk.
A little better than them, that's all I'm gonna say.
Hey, you already know we got to the second round. Thank you. Gracias. All right. Oh, really? Yeah. In Houston? Okay. Yeah.
All Carrabba's and all that.
Okay. So you from here originally, or?
100%.
Okay. What brought you back, or what made you leave and come back?
Black Lives Matter. That's
They fucked it up for you?
I'm like, nah, get me out of here.
Aquí, y'all from here?
Somos de aquí.
Yeah.
Sí.
Pieces for 1.5 million. The sign that's in the front, that was part of this.
Damn.
That's only like one acre.
I'll let you know. Well, when it's the boss, yeah, you can't poke.
Oh no. Oh, yeah. All right, let me see. I'm gonna post it right here on this wall. I think.